What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we finally got our April quad box. I know it has been like forever, but we finally got it, so let's go ahead and do an unboxing and see what we got for the month of April. So let's see, let's open this thing up. Alrighty. So I guess this is on the top of the box, so let's go ahead and start off with what we got. We got a Cricket Flight 1. It's called a Cricket OSD flight controller. It's a 30x30. I'll take this out of the package in a moment. This thing is actually pretty sweet. This thing has not came out yet. And then I also want to do some looking up too to see exactly what's going on with it. So let's go ahead and go through the rest of the box, and then I'll be back and I'll kind of tell you what the specs are on this thing and what's maybe different about it than other flight controllers from Flight 1. So, alright, let's put that to the side. Looks like we got some wire cutters. Some spring-loaded wire cutters. Neato. And then we also got some tweezers. Could always use some tweezers. And then we got some props here. We got 3 sets of props, which are the FX S3 prop watermelons. These are, I guess they don't tell you the actually size of them. Let's see what they say on there. Let's see what they are. They are, let's see. Nope, doesn't tell you. This is S3, so whatever that is for pitch. And then we got some stickers. So this is a Cricket themed box, clearly. Nice. Then we got another tool. We got some needle nose pliers, which I can definitely use these. Nice. Oh, we got another whatever the hell that thing's called. And now for the shirt. Alright, this is a neat shirt. I like it. It's real simple. I like the color. Definitely will wear this. So, awesome box. Definitely awesome. So let me be right back. I'm going to go ahead and look some specs up on this flight controller and be right back. Alright, I'm back with some more information on this Cricket OSD flight controller. And let's take it out of the package real quick. So the really main difference on this between this and the Revolt OSD is it does not have any of the connectors on it. And I actually just released a video this past week doing a Revolt OSD on my racing quad, so this will definitely go in hand. I might just put this on a freestyle quad since I do need a new flight controller for my Chameleon TI. So that is exactly probably what this is going to go on. And we can go ahead and play around with Falco on a freestyle quad and a racing quad, so that really works out great for me. Now regarding this, besides it not having any of the connectors on it, it does also not have a flash. So like, you know, in beta flight we use black box. They have something similar, but this one does not have that type of flash storage. So it does it without the flash storage, and then also does without the connector, so you have to do everything by soldering the little wires onto here. What really kind of stinks is that it does not actually have a 4-in-1 header. I wish they would have kept that at least, so then you can use a 4-in-1 ESC with this, and instead of having to solder every single motor wire if you're using a 4-in-1. But other than that, it's really neat. I think these are selling for $35, I think, from Flight 1. They said these are a limited run, so they're going to be just limited, and then they're going to be doing other flight controllers and whatnot. So I really appreciate you guys watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe. I do this every month. I've been doing quad box for quite a while now, about almost a year now, and also I have started doing drone drop, and I also heard that Get FPV is getting into the box business, so we might be doing some boxes for Get FPV as well. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.